Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea. Thanks for joining me today. It's the Jo Sets blog hop today. So if you've come here from there, then you already know that. If you've come here from somewhere else, you might want to go and check that out. So I'll link it in the description box below. And you can go and have a look at the blog hop and see what's going on. The theme for June is something new. So many of us who use Stampin' Up products are using something from the new Stampin' Up catalogue. Those who don't use Stampin' Up products are using something new that they've bought, or a new tool, some new materials or whatever that they've bought and not had a chance to use yet. So I'm going to be using new Stampin' Up products, obviously. So I'm starting off, I've got a base. If you come here looking for tidy, neat, organised, don't, because I'm not. I'm always in a hurry, I don't have lots of time, I'm always rushing, and I just like to share what I do because this just keeps me de-stressed. It helps everything else in my life work. So I'm using this gorgeous new in colour, which is Rococo Rose. It is a really nice sort of deep pink. It's a bit like Sweet Sugar Plum if you've been around a while, but it's not as pinky as Sweet Sugar Plum. It's more, I think it's got more of a peachy tone to it. Anyway, this is a 10 by 5 inch piece, scored at 5 inches on the long side to give us a 5 by 5 card blank. I love square cards. And then what I've used is a layer of the Pretty Peacock, which is a lovely, it's almost like Tranquil Tide, but it's more, I'd say it's a lighter shade, and it's more green than blue. And that is 4 7/8 square. So that's going to go onto my base. Then I'm using this gorgeous Perennial Essence Paper Sweet, which has got lots of this sort of impressionistic art on it, lots of florals, some gorgeous patterns, rich patterns. So I'm using a piece of that, which measures 4 3/4 by 4 3/4, which is going to layer on top there. And then I've got a piece, again in Rococo Rose, of the In Colour 2019-21 paper stack. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, Stampin' Up has a range of colours that are sorted into family, sort of colour families, and that's like a core range. And then they have 10 colours which kind of revolve and are replaced, so that you're always getting something new every year. Last year they did have a big colour shake up, and they put in some new colours and took out some colours that were in the core range. But each year they have what are called in colours, and those colours come in and they last 2 years. So you'll have 5 in colours come in 2009 that will go out in 2019, that will go out in 2021, because they have a 2-year lifespan. So they'll come in 2019 and go out in 2021, and then you'll have the colours that came in 2018 will be current now, and they'll go out next year in 2020. So the colours we've just lost are colours that came in 2017, and they've just gone. So Rococo Rose and Pretty Peacock are 2 of the new in colours. And then there's a stack of DSP, 6 by 6 DSPs, which go with every colour family. So every colour family has a stack of this sort of DSP, which is great for backgrounds. It's just really easy to coordinate. And this is from that. And this year, that changes each year. This year it's script and like tessellating patterns, and the other one is tessellating patterns and like a small gingham. So it's pretty. So I've got a piece of that which measures 4 3/4 by 2, and that's going to go there. Then I've got this gorgeous scalloped lace trim, which is absolutely beautiful, and that's going to go on my card too. And then I've used this timeless tag punch, which is new to Stampin' Up this year, and I've punched out a piece of Pretty Peacock a piece of Rococo Rose, and then on Very Vanilla I've punched out a piece where I've stamped using the Pretty Peacock Dream Big, and I've put these faceted gems in Rococo Rose and Pretty Peacock on along the bottom. The Dream Big, did I say it's stamped in Pretty Peacock? And that comes from a new stamp set that's available this year, and that's Over the Moon. I use this Dream Big, and this is these cute little cows. Okay, so I'm going to pop it all together now. So I'm going to start off with this. I'm going to pop this layer on. It's up to you if you want to do your layers, or if you want to build up your whole card onto the base and then move it across. That's up to you. I'm trying, at the minute, the Stampin' Up! Having some problems with having their having liquids imported or something. So we're running out of glue. So now it's going to go on there. And then I think what I will do is attach this. I'm going to use the script because I thought it's, with it being Dream Big, the sentiment, I thought the sort of dreamy, flowery background, and then the script is like you're likely to write your dreams down maybe in your diary or something, so I thought that kind of goes with that. And then I'm going to use a tape pen to just pop the ribbon on. I'm going to pop it on to just the edge of that piece there. Just leave a little bit showing. It's not quite. And then you can either turn it over onto the side, or you can trim it off, it's up to you. I'm going to turn it over because that usually just helps it to stick. See? Like that. When you're putting your glue on the other side, make sure that you put some on your lace. Just help it to stick. That is. You see how that's building up now, those colours. It's picking out these colours in the background as well. And then what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to sort of layer it up like so. To build it up from the bottom or build it up from the top. I have got another one of each one ready, so I might build it up from both ends. Just try it, put a bit of glue on there. Just leave a little bit showing. Put some glue on there. And leave a little bit showing. And then do that the same way. A little bit showing. turns up. Oh yeah, I quite like that. Makes it nice and thick as well. And then I'm going to stick it on the dimensionals as well, so it'll be nice and thick. I'm just going to take 3. Just going to pop that on there. You know, my eyes are definitely not on straight. One thing I did want to do, I'm just going to do a bit of tone and tone stamping in here. I'm just going to get my Rococo Rose, and I'm going to get this little stamp here with the heart and the little dreamer thing. Little dream cloud. I'm just going to pop it there. Just pop it in my corner. That's it, that's my card for the blog hop. Hope you like that. And yeah, I do. I think it's really pretty, it's very delicate. And thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care, bye bye.